This short screencast will show you how to assign a marking period to an assessment. So you're here, you have found the assessment. So again, you're going to go into your course, you're going to find the assessment, you're going to go to this gear. Again, you're going to push edit. So we've assigned points. Now we have to assign a marking period. So I'm going to go to grade options. The category should always be major. Any assessment that's given to you from the district is going to be major. You always want to make sure that you allow students to submit something. So you want to make sure that you've enabled submissions. You do not want them to have to put in a password, so you want to make sure that stays disabled. We will notice here there's no grading period, so Schoology doesn't know where to put the assessment. If you click this down arrow, all of the marking periods show up. So I'm going to go here to marking period 2, and then I'm going to save my changes. That assessment now will be in your marking period 2 gradebook. If you have any questions, you can email me or sign up on the support document.